morning from Lake Cahuilla, California. Hi, my name is Joseph James. People call me JJ. This year, I purchased a 1984 Lance camper to fit on the back of my truck, a Ford F150, with the purpose of turning it into a home and a mobile recording studio and to travel across the US with my dog, Checkers. Good morning, Checkers. Do you want your food? Currently, I'm working on repairing the hole that I got from traveling in the Mojave Desert, and this is the video on how I repaired it. Or did I? That's the question. Check it out. Well, here I am in Lake Cahuilla, just waiting for my patch to set in my fuel tank. But it's nice and peaceful, nice and quiet. Met some really cool people. Living this lifestyle and meeting really cool people on the road, and cooked amazing dinner today. I'm going to stay an extra day here in Lake Cahuilla just to let the seal on the fuel tank sit another 24 hours, just to be certain. Just want to make sure that I don't have a repeat of what happened last time. So I put the seal in with the super glue and the baking soda. I put the tank weld putty on top. Then I put a layer of Gorilla Tape to seal it, pressed it down really hard. And then I put 3 coats of flex spray on there as well. So I mean, if that doesn't work, then I don't know what the hell. But yeah, I get to stay here one more night. It's really beautiful. It's been really windy these last couple of days. So I bought 2 bunches of really nice oak firewood. It's super heavy, but I couldn't burn it because it's been too windy. But tonight I'm gonna cook a nice stir fry for dinner, and I'm gonna have a fire by the lake. Me and Checkers are just gonna chill out. Over and out. Good morning. So here we are, after 48 hours at Lake Cahuilla. My seal had set and I decided to hit the road. Now, will the seal stay? That's my only question. Join me on the next episode to see if the seal actually stays. Thank you. I want to thank everyone for watching this video, and please don't forget thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to check out my Patreon page, which is a great way to support me in my travels, here's the link here. And I want to thank my patrons, Natalie, Bobby, and Jim. The first 3. Mwah!